What's going on, knuckleheads? So in today's video, we're going to be doing a over a year review of the Amazon tour pack that I bought. Let's roll that intro and get started. Alright, so in my first video, that'll be linked up here. I don't really know where the hell it goes. Whenever I installed this, I bought the wrong one. In my opinion, the ad was deceiving, and you could not see all the extra holes that were in it. I couldn't tell that the speaker holes were in it, for the wire, and it's even got the holes for the tail light. But that's, honestly, I learned to live with that. It was my mistake. But what I had no intention on living with is its major failure when I was down at Stubborn American in October. I was getting ready to roll out of the campground. I'd stopped to, I don't remember what I was doing. But I had the tour pack open. I had a sleeping bag and a lightweight sleeping bag and something else small strapped to the rack with a bungee net. Well, I now have a full opening tour pack. Pay no attention to this. This is where my helmet's set. But the lanyard broke. And whenever it did that, of course, there's collateral damage. And the damn thing is a little screwed up. The bottom part of the tour pack. So, yeah, I am not happy with that. I will be getting a new one. Don't know when. I've got shit going on all over the place right now. This is actually the first time the tour pack has been on there since October. No point in having it on there if it doesn't do me any damn good. I just wanted to be able to open that up all the way and show you guys. It's probably going to be a year before I can get another tour pack. Unless, I get a big raise at work. That ain't going to fucking happen, so. Alright, well, just a short video, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I upload, and I'll see you guys in the next one.